If you do this, he will cry out of fear of losing you. Have you ever wondered about the intense emotion of fear? It's a potent force that can drive people to their limits, especially in relationships. In this video, we'll explore how harnessing the right kind of fear can make someone cry out of the sheer terror of losing you. So, without wasting any time, let's get started. Number 1. Understanding your insecurity. Many people feel insecure in their relationships, fearing their partner might leave them. This insecurity often leads to wanting to make your partner fear losing you. It's important to recognize and address this insecurity within yourself first. By understanding your feelings, you can approach the relationship with a clearer mind and healthier intentions. For example, imagine you constantly worry about your boyfriend not calling you back. This worry can make you anxious and even lead to unnecessary arguments. Instead of panicking, try to understand why you feel this way. Maybe a past relationship left you feeling abandoned. Acknowledge this and remind yourself that your current partner is not the same person. Talk to your partner about your feelings. Honest communication can help them understand your needs better. For instance, you might say, "I sometimes worry when you don't call back quickly. It makes me feel unimportant." This allows your partner to reassure you, strengthening your bond. Work on building your confidence. Engage in activities that make you feel good about yourself. Join a hobby class, focus on your career, or spend time with friends. When you feel secure in yourself, you bring positivity into your relationship. Your partner will notice and appreciate your self-assured attitude. Avoid overanalyzing every little detail in your relationship. If your partner is busy and can't spend every moment with you, it doesn't mean they love you less. Trust is essential. Give your partner space to miss you and come back with genuine affection. Number 2. Strategic ignoring and control. Strategic ignoring and balanced control can be useful in relationships when done right. Ignoring your partner excessively can backfire, but moderate and strategic ignoring can be effective. The key is moderation. Occasionally ignoring your partner's calls or messages can create a sense of urgency and importance. For example, if you are always instantly available, your partner may take you for granted. But if you sometimes take your time to respond, they may appreciate your attention more. Balanced control is also important. Exerting a healthy level of control can make your partner feel cared for without being overly controlling. For instance, suggesting a plan for the weekend instead of always waiting for your partner to decide shows initiative and care. However, don't make all the decisions alone. Encourage a natural alignment of their life with yours without rushing the process. Let your partner feel involved and respected in making choices. Here's a realistic example. If your partner is planning a night out with friends, you can say, "That sounds fun. Maybe we can plan a special date night on Saturday." This shows you respect their independence, but also express your desire to spend quality time together. Another example is when your partner wants to pursue a hobby. Support them, but also suggest ways to integrate it into your shared life. If they love hiking, you might say, "I'd love to join you on your next hike. Let's make it a weekend activity." This encourages shared experiences while respecting their interests. Avoid being overly controlling. Trust is essential. If your partner wants to spend time with friends, give them space. This shows confidence in your relationship. Being too controlling can push them away and make them feel trapped. Instead, focus on building trust and understanding. Strategic ignoring and balanced control can strengthen your relationship when used wisely. By occasionally ignoring your partner's calls or messages, you create a sense of urgency. Balanced control, like making plans together, shows you care without being overbearing. These actions help maintain a healthy relationship based on respect and mutual understanding. Keep things moderate and balanced for the best results. Number 3. Focus on self-improvement. Focusing on self-improvement is a powerful way to make your partner value you more and fear losing you. Here's how. Invest time in your personal growth. This means dedicating time to your own life, career, and interests. For example, take up a new hobby or enroll in a course to develop new skills. When your partner sees you thriving and succeeding, they naturally appreciate your presence more. They'll admire your ambition and drive, which strengthens your bond. Demonstrate confidence and independence. Confidence is attractive and shows that you are secure in yourself. Pursue your goals with determination and don't rely solely on your partner for happiness. Spend time with friends, pursue your passions, and take care of yourself. When your partner sees you thriving independently, they'll admire your strength and be more invested in the relationship. For example, if you have career aspirations, actively work towards them. Attend workshops, network, and take on new challenges. When your partner sees your dedication and ambition, they'll feel proud to be with someone who is constantly striving for self-improvement. Remember, focusing on self-improvement isn't about making your partner feel insecure. It's about becoming the best version of yourself for your own fulfillment and growth. By investing in personal development, you not only enhance your relationship but also foster a sense of independence and confidence that benefits both you and your partner in the long run. Number 4. Recognizing emotional shifts. Pay attention to reduced attention from your partner. If you've been giving a lot of attention and suddenly reduce it, observe their reaction. If they notice and react, it shows they value your presence and care about your attention. For example, if you usually text your partner throughout the day but suddenly become less responsive, see if they reach out more frequently or express concern about the change. This indicates they notice and miss your attention, which can strengthen your bond. Notice when your partner starts putting in more effort to keep you close. If they begin to initiate plans, express affection more often, or make an effort to spend quality time together, it's a positive sign. It shows they fear losing you and are actively working to strengthen the relationship. For instance, if your partner starts planning surprise dates or frequently tells you how much they appreciate you, it's a clear indication that they value your presence and are afraid of losing you. This increased effort shows that your actions, such as reducing attention, are making a positive impact on the relationship. Overall, being aware of these emotional shifts allows you to gauge the health of your relationship and make necessary adjustments. It's a sign that your partner cares about you and values your presence in their life. Number 5. Be your own peace. To make a man truly fear losing you, start by finding peace within yourself. Peace is not just a trait you exhibit, it's a state of being you cultivate from within. When you're at peace with yourself, you radiate a calmness and stability that naturally draws people towards you, including the man you're with. Being your own peace means resolving your own inner conflicts, seeking therapy or counseling if needed, and addressing any personal issues that may be affecting your emotional well-being. Make sure you're strong and positive in yourself before focusing on your relationship. When you are centered and grounded in your own peace, you become an anchor for your partner in times of chaos or uncertainty. Your ability to maintain composure and perspective during challenging moments will not only reassure him, but also make him realize the value of having you in his life. Remember, being your own peace doesn't mean you have to suppress your emotions or pretend to be happy all the time. It's about acknowledging your feelings, working through them constructively, and ultimately finding a sense of inner harmony that allows you to navigate life's ups and downs with grace and resilience. By prioritizing your own peace and well-being, you not only enhance the quality of your relationship but also become an irresistible force that your partner can't imagine living without. So invest in yourself, cultivate that inner peace, and watch as your partner's fear of losing you deepens with each passing day. Number 6. Set boundaries. Many women make a big mistake in relationships. They beg their partner to stay with them and talk to them, even when the other person seems distant. They might say things like, "Please don't leave me," or "Please talk to me," but begging like this can make you seem desperate and lower your value in their eyes. Instead, it's important to share your thoughts and feelings openly with your partner, whether they're good or bad. But crying and pleading for attention isn't the way to go. It's hard to know what to do when you feel ignored, but making a habit of begging won't help. In a healthy relationship, both people should show respect and love for each other. If one person wants respect and love, they should also give it. If they don't, they shouldn't expect to receive it in return. It's tough when the person you care about doesn't seem to value you or support you when you need it, but chasing after them won't make them appreciate you more. In fact, it might make them respect you less. That's why it's crucial to set boundaries in a relationship. When you set boundaries, you're letting your partner know what's acceptable and what's not. They'll understand that if they cross those boundaries, you might walk away. It's a way of showing that you won't tolerate being mistreated or taken for granted. So remember to stand up for yourself and communicate your needs in a relationship. If your partner doesn't respect you or support you, don't be afraid to walk away. Setting boundaries might be tough, but it can make a big difference in your happiness and well-being. If you enjoyed this video, hit the like button and share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe for more awesome content. Have thoughts or questions? Drop them in the comments. We love hearing from you. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.